I just dropped my motor off at P&M to have the machine work done. I forgot to vlog this morning on the way.
Come on now, dog. Come on, man.
Yeah, but the head is here, the block is here. Over here at P&M in Richlands, North Carolina. So they're gonna take care of doing honing and the boring, pretty much all the machine work. Just sum it down. So, company right there. So with that here, that pretty much set me up for where I need to be. And so I was gonna vlog it this morning, but I overslept, ran behind schedule. It's gonna be their first VR to debut, so this ought to be interesting. Hopefully everything goes well with it.
Oh shit, here we go again.
So I told them I also want the heavy duty valve springs going in. They're going to inspect and check everything. And then shout out my boy Brett for letting me borrow his truck today. So I'm able to get out here and do all that. So we're on our way back home now. So as soon as we get back home, we're gonna start continue cleaning up and doing everything we need to do at the house. As in we, I mean I. But I'll see you guys when I get home. What's up everybody? So it's almost been a week since I dropped the motor off to P&M to get the work done. So I haven't really been doing much to the car. I pulled the ABS module, so their front end is fully off now, so I can actually get up in here. I just been cleaning everything up, went through the air, blew everything out, got all the debris and everything out so I can start doing the painting. I still gotta pull this out, that's all I'm gonna do today. Gotta pull the rest of that out. In my garage there, I got that. Hold on, I didn't tell you about that. Yeah, I got the argon the day of me dropping off the motor. It's like $268. Good Lord! Air gas, so that we would start getting stuff done. My boy's supposed to be getting me my leads and everything. My leads are all messed up and funky, so he's supposed to be bringing that for me this upcoming week. So I'm gonna start doing the welding in there and start laying paint. So today we're gonna try to finish pulling this out. However, but pretty much what's left. Like I said in the last video, the box is back there, right behind that. So once all this gets pulled forward, then we should be able to get into it, pull it, and take care of it. And then there's a few things I want to take care of as well. But we're gonna get started. I have to start doing a time lapse on this.
Smoke. Holiday. Go ahead, you can cry us up right, baby. Everything gonna get greater later. That's right. This is the time when we take out to remember all the loved ones we lost through the struggle, you know. I dedicate this to my brother Hollywood, little Toby, Bam, my dog Itchy, and little Trav. I dedicate this to the struggle, everybody in the county jail, state pen, and the feds. Check it out.
Hey, yo, DJ Small.
They want some bad luck. Hell, I guess that a nigga wouldn't have none. But when I think about it, what would I be without my guns? How could I get away from the popos if a nigga couldn't run? If I was giving a daughter when I always prayed for a son. Life is crazy, ain't it? Sometimes I even think the same thing. I've been waiting no freedom to ring hell, but ain't a thing changed. And I lost my brother in the struggle. Till he hit and lost his mother. And I'm thinking if I lose mine, who gon' raise my brother? Not to be a thug, stay in school, don't use drugs. Who'll teach them right from wrong and show them boys true love. So I pray for the better days, face the bombs and the runaways. And I put my guns away and I pray for peace on Sundays. It's crazy.
Just like the soldiers that ain't coming home this year. Just like the fellas in prison. We miss you so much for real. What about the children who ran away that ain't coming home today? Well, here's a message from coast to coast. Cause when them thugs really need it the most, a thug holiday.
Just like the just like him, 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 just like him. People want for all these killers and all these conflicts of religions, and the Muslims, Jews, and Christians. We know that we're all God's children, and there's only one of Him. Plus, ain't none of y'all confront Him. We so blind in our own mind, we wouldn't even know God if we was in front of Him. Man, I read your books, know all your remixes to the Bible. What about a verse for the thugs, cure with drugs and survival? Let's ask some chapters, name of Mark, Malcolm, and Farrakhan. In all my history books, only one died was the Americans. And let's point them out, who's responsible for Vietnam? And hold on, there's more. We had 2 world wars, and how come the judges make more than the teachers is making? When they the one raising all the taxes and got us fighting for education. Life is crazy, ain't it?
So many tears throughout the years. Somebody tell me what's going on. And so many lies, but only God knows about the pain deep inside. It gets so hard. You gotta keep your head up, know you're better, but stay strong. Here's a message from coast to coast. 'Cause when them thugs really need it the most, the holiday.
Just like, just like, just like, just like, just like it. Just like, just like, just like, just like, just like.
Yes, Naya. Cool na aya. Who am I? It's just a girl, them sugar. Alright. Here I know. Whoa, na 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 na. Oh, na 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 na. Hey! Sim Simma. Who got the keys to my bimmer? Who am I? The girls, them sugar. How can I make love to a fella in a rush? Pass me the keys to my trucks. Who am I? The girls, them lock. And I, we make love to precious. But you ever buck a girl with deep like a bucket? Draw for your niggle like your niggle can't stitch it. Draw for your oxen like a cow, you wanna chop it. Draw for your pickaxe like a gun, you wanna dig it. It's like a riverside up on the bank and you take it. It's like a bicycle, so you hold it and dash it. So you watch it, so you crash it. She a tell you, say you grab it. Girl, she a beg you wanna ball, take it, stop it. Batman plug in and me a move like a electric. It's like a basketball, she take time out fi vomit. Listen to me silent, listen to me lyrics. I Beanie man, they and me a drop it. I said, Sim Simma, who got the keys to my bimmer? Who am I? The girls, them sugar. How can I make love to a fella in a...
Alright, so I'm gonna show y'all what I was fighting with. So, see right there, there's a bolt that goes to there. You can actually access it from under here. It's under the windshield. There's a hole like right here. So, right that bend, and it came out. But now to the point where's she at? Bam, right there. Heater cord, right? Pull it through. Time to pull it. Alright, so now this thing is out. So, it's the hole for it. I recommend pulling the damn dash. Like, pull it as far as you can back before you start snatching on it. But that's it. It's pretty damn deep. So now that it's out, I'm gonna set my dash back up and let it chill, so that way everything's kind of together. So I still have somewhat control of the car when I'm moving and different stuff. But that's it. Now it's time to get the other one on order. I can start polishing the other radiator going. This wasn't fun. I remember I come from Hondas and 240s. This has been out like in 10 minutes. 5 minimum, 10 max. But it's a different world, like I said. It's a Volkswagen Audi world, so it's kind of expected. But now that that's out, I started getting everything taped off, sand everything down, paint. And then since paint's in, I can start putting the new one in. And then should be good to go from that. Alright, till next time everybody. I don't do a lot of shout outs, but big shout out to Brett for letting me use this truck. I really appreciate that. Without you, I wouldn't be able to get my motor to the machine shop. Shout out to Brendan for coming down yesterday to bring her brother black. My daughter was sick, couldn't get out. So it's kind of stuck here. I need that little stress relief. And then shout out to Tony, big shout out to him for helping me out. Because he can pull a dash within an hour. It's my first time doing it. The reason he hasn't been there because he's been having a lot of stuff going on. So eventually he will fucking show up in the video. And also big shout out to Troy for being able to let me call you and this vent to you, bro. I appreciate that. Appreciate all y'all. And big shout out to Insomniac for letting me know about P&M. And big shout out to P&M for doing my motor work as well. Thank everybody for everything. I really appreciate that. Till next time.
Picture me rolling, tip of my chauffeur. Niggas look jealous, gotta control it. Reaching my quota, mixing my soda. Feeling connected to God, trying to get closer. Stepping on roaches, me and my loasters. Just trying to get over, try not to get swallowed by locusts. Trying to stay focused, kinda like Moses.
Come here. Come here.
Also, don't forget to like and subscribe at the bottom.